Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by verifying the simulator build and assets because mismatches break beams instantly. Open the developer console, then equip the gauntlet and enable the check beam toggle. This initiates the trace. Once done, set a nearby fixed target and reduce intensity to 0. 5 so the beam won't destroy objects while we test. Make sure logs are visible. You need to see hit, miss, and collider data. This early step prevents wasted time and gives immediate feedback. Now you configure parameters to control behavior and precision. Change origin, offsets, and choose local versus world space so the beam aligns with the gauntlet's model. This prevents skewed traces. Next, tune power, duration, and cooldown. For example, try 3-second pulses with 1-second cooldown to observe sustained effects. Then enable collision layers and visual debug raise to see exact hits. Doing this shows you how colliders respond and helps identify. Finish by running a full test sequence while recording logs. You want a repeatable result. Validate damage numbers, visual effects timing, and network replication across clients so multiplayer behaves the same. If everything aligns, save the working config as a preset. If something goes wrong, the single most useful tip is to inspect the transform hierarchy and layer masks. Mismatch their causes in visible or off-origin beams. Also check console errors and collider settings before making code changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.